Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Dysfunctional, chronic, unresolved issues. Some of the reasons given by the health minister on why the board at the University Hospital of the West Indies was dissolved.
Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement Thursday evening after meeting with board members following the resignation of the board chairman on Monday.
Now, as Giovanni Dennis reports, consultations are now taking place for a replacement board.
Suitable replacements are already being sought for the outgoing board members of the University Hospital of the West Indies. Among the posts to be filled is that of chairman after Wayne Chai Chung resigned on Monday. It followed several discussions with the health minister over governance concerns and other issues.
I commend him for the role he has played, for the leadership that he brought during the period of time. But the truth is that there were some issues that were unresolved and appeared to have become almost chronic in terms of the resolution.
After meeting with the remaining members on Thursday, the health minister dissolved the entire board.
I just had a meeting with the full board and I went through a number of the issues with them, and I suggested to them, or required of them, that they all tender their resignation effective immediately and allow for a new board to be appointed, a kind of reset so that we can get back on track in terms of some of the very important things that we need to do.
Among the important things, charting a new direction for the hospital. Dr. Tufton noted that after several meetings in the past 2 months, simmering issues hindered the progress of the now dissolved board.
While I believe we have made progress in many areas, there were issues that created to some extent a level of dysfunctionality, which
This is like what?
No, I won't go into all of the details on it, but I thought that it was in the best interest of all concerned for us to recalibrate. And so there's no one single issue, there are a few issues.
Consultations are already taking place for suitable replacements, even as the opposition raises concern about the functioning of the hospital in light of the developments.
In keeping with my authority as minister, I have to ensure a smooth transition so that the institutions function. I'm comfortable that the institutions will continue to function and that a new board will be appointed in the shortest possible time.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.